Hello.
Hi there.
Nice day.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Do you come here often?
Almost every morning. You?
Just started. It's so peaceful here.
I agree. Enjoy your walk.
You too.
Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bus stop?
It's over there.
How do I get to the center?
Go straight and then turn left.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good morning. May I see your passport?
Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Tourism, business, visiting family.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing.
Thank you. Welcome. Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket?
Here you are.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Please put your bag on the belt.
Okay.
Do you have any liquids or electronics?
Just a phone and a laptop.
Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good afternoon, thank you.
Here is the menu. What would you like to order?
I want a chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Okay, your order will be ready soon.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want some apples.
Sure. How many apples do you want?
I want 6 apples.
Here you are. Anything else?
Yes, I need milk.
One bottle or two?
1 bottle, please.
Okay, do you need bread?
Yes, 1 loaf of bread.
Fine, is that all?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
It's $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Excuse me, sir, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the bus station.
The bus station is near here.
Really, do you know how I can get there?
Go straight down this street. Then turn left at the traffic light.
Okay, is it far?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to book a room, please.
Of course. For how many nights?
For 3 nights.
Single room or double room?
A single room, please.
Do you prefer breakfast or not?
With breakfast, please.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your room is ready. Here is your key.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make a doctor's appointment.
Sure. What is your name?
My name is Mark.
Thank you, Mark. What is the reason for your visit?
I have a headache and a fever.
I understand. When would you like to come?
Tomorrow morning, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, the doctor is available at 10 a.m.
That's perfect.
Great. Your appointment is tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow. Hi Goran, how are you today?
Hi Sophia, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love it. I feel happy when the sun is shining.
Me too, but sometimes it gets too hot in summer.
That's true. I prefer spring. The weather is not too hot and not too cold.
What do you usually do when it rains?
I usually stay at home and read a book.
That sounds nice. I like listening to music when it rains.
Rainy days can be relaxing.
Well, let's enjoy this sunny day.
Yes, let's go for a walk in the park.
Great idea. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I'm Goran.
How are you enjoying the party so far?
It's great. The atmosphere is really nice. How about you?
Yes, I'm having a good time. The music is fun, and the food looks delicious.
I agree. Did you try the appetizers?
Not yet, I was just about to. Do you recommend anything?
The cheese bites are amazing. You should try them.
Thanks for the tip. So, do you know many people here?
A few. I came with a friend, but I'm meeting new people too.
That's the best part of parties, getting to know different people.
Exactly. By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away. What about you?
I'm a bit farther, about 20 minutes from here.
Oh, that's not too bad. Do you often come to events like this?
Sometimes. It's a nice way to relax after a busy week.
True. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Goran.
Same here, Sophia. Enjoy the rest of the party.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a savings account.
Of course. Do you have your ID and proof of address with you?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Please fill out this form with your personal details.
Sure. How long does it take to open the account?
It usually takes about 15 minutes. Once it's done, you'll receive your account number immediately.
Great. Can I also get a debit card?
Yes, we'll issue a debit card. It will arrive at your home address within 5 business days.
Perfect. And what is the interest rate on savings accounts?
Currently, it's 2% per year.
That sounds good. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.